This is Science is Fun and Learn series. Today we will learn about spectroscopy. It is the science of studying matter by passing light through it. Every material absorbs light differently. By measuring this absorbance, we can identify the type of matter. Here is the pictorial representation of the spectroscopy experiment. When light passes through a sample, the transmitted light is analyzed to determine the unique characteristic of that sample. Spectroscopy is used in all branches of science to study the matter. It is used in environmental science to study the pollutant. It is used in food and agriculture to measure the nutrient level. It is also used in medical science to analyze the genetic material. It is used in astronomy to know the composition of star and galaxy. It is also used in forensic science to detect the culprit in the scene. Recently, NASA's Perseverance mission studied the soil by spectroscopy to check the presence of life on the Mars. Here is a simple spectroscopy experiment. For this, we need a phone, a green light, two glasses filled with green and red food color. I am using an app on my phone that can measure the transmitted light intensity. We can also buy luminometer to do this experiment or for other use. Right now, the light intensity in the room is approximately 9 to 12 lux. It is the unit of light illumination. We need an indoor light of 250 lux for good health and below 1 lux for good sleep. Let's start the experiment. Now the room light intensity is 9 lux. When I pass green light through the green color water, the transmitted light measures about 3296 lux. This means most of the light is transmitted, very little is absorbed, since the color of the light matches the color of the solution. Now when I replace the green water with red color water, the transmitted light drops to around 425 lux. Here the red color solution absorbs most of the green light and transmits only a small portion, about 425 lux, as measured by light meter. This shows that we can identify substance in a solution by passing specific wavelength of light through them. In this case, our specific wavelength is green light and the material we identify is red food color, which absorbs green light strongly. For simplicity, we use color water, but in a real spectroscopy experiment, the solutions are often colorless. Scientists use X-ray, ultraviolet, visible, or infrared light to detect unknown substance in a medium. If you enjoy this experiment, please subscribe and leave your comment below. Visit STEM Fun Experiment for more experiment and DIY experiment.